Organic bar soap with sea kelp moss herbal chamomile. Sea kelp and moss with chamomile herb and organic cocoa butter soap. Sea kelp is rich in nutrients and is an excellent stimulant and exfoliate. The seaside scent in this natural beauty facial and body soap coupled with the invigorating hint of cocoa butter will make you feel like you are relaxing by the ocean. This sea kelp soap is rich in skin nourishing. Sea kelp is rich in nutrients and is an excellent stimulant and exfoliant. Sea herbs have been known to heal, hydrate, detoxify and remineralize the skin. Their amino acids and slippery texture act as a conditioner to the skin as well. Sea kelp gently polishes the skin, while the unrefined cocoa butter moisturizes. Also added chamomile herbs to stimulant exfoliating. This soap is amazingly refreshing in every shower. If you don't already know, the legendary crème de la mer was created by physicist Dr. Max Huber, who had suffered burns in a lab accident. As his personal mission to help his burn scars and transform his skin, Huber created many products. Sea kelp is one of the key ingredients in the La Mer products. You can see a list of the current soaps at https://www.amazon.com. Handmade natural handcrafted soap company. Supercock all natural glycerin bar soap peppermint cocoa. Wow! Enhanced. Lasts longer. Soap recipes are 100% natural and vegan friendly. Saponified vegetable oils, kosher veggie glycerin, highest quality essential oils, herbs and spices. Sorbital Purified Water Sorbitan, oleate, sodium hydroxide, absolutely no detergents, surfactants, sulfates, artificial scents, colorizers, or petroleum products of any kind. Labels are printed on 100% recycled paper. Soap size is approximately 2.5 x 3.5 inches. Soap is 5+ Oz. CARIA pine tar olive oil soap bars, all natural. Evaluated as a bar of soap, this CARIA pine tar olive oil soap is a good one. It has a strong odor. It does require a well-drained soap dish or holder, as it will get soft and gooey if left in a pool of water for any length of time. Other reviewers have evaluated the CARIA bar as a palliative for skin disorders, a quality that this review does not evaluate. This review looks at CARIA pine tar olive soap primarily as a shampoo bar. Most anti-dandruff shampoo formulations are based on one of a very few active ingredients. Pyrithian zinc is probably the most common, selenium sulfide, salicylic acid, carcinogenic coal tar, the use of which in shampoo has been banned from sale in several states, and pine tar are other dandruff shampoo ingredients. According to the Environmental Working Group's database, pine tar is the least toxic of those active ingredients, and for my kind of dandruff I have found that pine tar also is the most effective dandruff treatment. In 2010, this reviews posted here on Amazon compared and contrasted two similar but different anti-dandruff shampoos that were based upon pine tar. Heritage Store Hair Shampoo, pine tar, 12 ounce, which is labeled as, and more commonly known as, Tannenbaum shampoo, and Packers pine tar shampoo, 8 ounces. In those reviews, I also compared and contrasted the two pine tar shampoos with Head and Shoulders and other anti-dandruff shampoos based upon ingredients other than pine tar. While the 2010 review of the Packers shampoo may still be viewed on Amazon, at some point, Amazon expunged all reviews of the Tannenbaum shampoo that had been posted before 2013. The pine tar oil concentration in CARIA pine tar olive oil soap is 10%, a much higher concentration than will be found in either the bottled liquid Tannenbaum shampoo or the bottled liquid Packers pine tar shampoo. As a shampoo bar, the remaining 90% of the soap comprises only reassuringly natural ingredients: olive oil, cocoa butter, castor seed oil, coconut oil, and salt. As a shampoo bar, CARIA Pine Tar Olive Oil Soap is excellent. How well does it clean the hair? At least in our locality's soft water, very well. Just rub the bar lightly across your already wet hair, set down the bar, and then with your fingertips, work up a rich creamy lather that will rinse out squeaky clean. Its dandruff control properties. It controls my dandruff at least as well as possibly better than either Tannenbaum shampoo or Packer's Pine Tar shampoo does. CARIA does have a strong odor, and I have followed up with a few drops of Andalou Naturals moisture-rich shampoo, argan and sweet orange, 11.5 ounce to tame the residual odor. And CARIA is not a no-tears product, in the way that, for instance, Johnson's baby shampoo is. As with most other shampoos, CARIA will sting if the suds get into your eyes. But for use as a dandruff control shampoo once every 10 days or so, this CARIA bar has become my go-to product. Recommended. Zest 8-bar bath size soap, creamy cocoa butter and Zest creamy cocoa butter and Shea moisture rich bars. New. Zestfully clean. 8 bars 4.0 ounces each. Redringer cocoa butter lotion 16 ounces. Love this lotion, have been using it for over 10 years and it's the best lotion I have ever used and the fragrance is so nice. It gives you a smell of the perfume. Red Door. Oil of Life 2-in-1 cocoa butter and Shea body. I like the way this product makes my skin feel. It is amazing.